All right, guys, it's Matt here. We're on the job site, and this is the first and most important phase of the roof project after the tear off. You can see up here the crew has already done the work of putting the ice and water shield on. And the importance of this, well, what I'm holding here is a high temperature version. This is a very high quality version that we're putting on for the customer. And this is really crucial in our region specifically. This is going to directly adhere to the plywood and create a sealed space where ice, snow, water cannot back behind your shingles. And in a region like ours, you don't want to overlook this step. And this is quite honestly something that's overlooked as well. Shingles are just meant to shed water, guys. That's why it's important we tear off and we put the proper underlayments and we start with a foundation like this.